Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name is Adam. Welcome back to the channel Kaputy Inc. Today we're fixing the window regulator gear, if you will, in my 03 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Alright, I've already made the repair. It was after I was done that I thought, you know what, maybe somebody will find this useful. So, first you get the door panel off. This guy here, you take out, for me, I take out this little reflector, screw behind there. Take out your window switch, one screw behind there. It's got these little tabs, so the door panel needs to slide up and it'll pop right off. But for it to slide off, you have to take this little piece off. That just pops off with some clips. You have to unplug. I think this will actually fit through the hole. You can unplug it if necessary. To make this repair, you do not need to remove the speaker. I had it one time, not necessary. So this is where I made my cut. It was absolutely perfect. I went right along this bottom seam here, out into the flat, along this seam here, and I made sure to make the cut. It probably didn't need to go this far back, but I decided it did because then it gets you onto another flat piece of metal, which will bend a lot easier than if you were trying to go through this body line. I already welded up the seam very shittily. I could have probably just cut that piece out and left it. There's nothing goes in it. I don't know what these holes are for. I didn't want to cut through those either, so I left those on there. Probably could have cut the piece out altogether, but I put it back, welded in. It's going to stay. That sun gear rotates right in this area, and when the window is all the way down, the sun gear where the teeth are worn out land right here. So you can reach in there with a welder, build up a little weld on the top of the teeth, and then file them straight. All right, here's what that gear looks like in a 4-year-old Druid. It's got teeth, they're little peaks the whole way along there, and this section right here is where the teeth had worn down. They were flat, so this is the last little section. These actually last two teeth look like new, so I'm guessing that they never reached that far when the window's all the way up. So these were like worn down over time. This is where the window is always being held when it's in its up position. So I just welded, right? I just like drop some big weld on top of these here to build them up, and then I took a triangle file. These are the files of my choosing, get that there, but it's a triangle file and it is the perfect angle. I was able to get into some good grooves and it fits the profile perfectly. So you just build it up, you can just get in there, take your time, file it down. I did the big work. I had a real worn down wheel on this. You know, a normal wheel is supposed to be about that size. I had a little one that's pretty well worn down, so it fit in the hole nice, and I just cut slots in between each valley there, if you will, and then I just finished them up with this, filed them down, and the window works perfectly now. Alright, got the window down. So what was happening when I'd get to about right there, you'd hear brrrr in the window. You could see the window vibrate a little bit, and what was happening was that the teeth were all jumping. So now that we've got it welded up, boom, she goes up, she holds tight, no more wind noise for the win. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please like. If you want to see me doing more of my most excellent work, subscribe. Leave a comment if you think I'm ugly or if you think I'm handsome. See you on the next one.